What happens when faith is tested in the face of death? One man stood against an empire, and found himself thrown into a den of lions. Meet Daniel, a righteous leader in the kingdom of Darius. He's framed by jealous officials who trick the king into signing a law that forbids prayer to anyone except him. But Daniel, defiant and unyielding, prays at his window despite the decree. Swoosh! He's arrested, and the king, though reluctant, has no choice. The dramatic moment, Daniel is cast into a dark, roaring lion's den, sealed with a heavy stone. Night falls, lions circle Daniel, their glowing eyes cutting through the darkness. But then, bam! A radiant figure appears, an angel sent by God, shutting the lions' mouths. Meanwhile, King Darius paces distressed, unable to sleep. At sunrise, he rushes to the den and calls out, "Daniel, has your God saved you?" With a blinding divine glow, Daniel steps forward unharmed and declares, "My God sent his angel." The climax hits hard, the king reverses the decree, Daniel's enemies face justice, and a declaration echoes across the land. Daniel's God is the living God. When the world turns against you, will your faith stand strong? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic biblical stories.